for Daddy. This.
Oh, look at Mommy B. Wow, it's so beautiful, dentist. Berdili ka dungo kay gatagak, ha?
Temperature.
Oh, temperature. You wanna check the temperature? Paris is helping Mommy. Nilalagay niya yung mga damit dyan sa basket kasi ihahang namin outside. Sa itabi, apo. Sabi sa kanya na, I love you very much. Morning, happy Friday. Welcome back to our channel. So today ay Friday guys at walang trabaho si ate nyo kasi naka-annual leave tayo. Say hi, sabi. Ay sure, ang Paris natin ay umiiyak ko. Say good morning guys. Ay hindi na pala siya good morning kasi 12 noon na siya.
Mommy.
Yes, we gonna go shopping?
Okay.
Wow, okay. We'll get your jacket, go. Get your jacket, bro. We'll show Paris' outfit and Daddy's outfit first. Come, Daddy. Ito pala yung outfit ko for today. Is na yung shirt ko lang, guys. Tapos, high-waisted jeans from Fashion Nova. And then, ang aking Mickey Mouse na shoes. And Daddy's, what's yours, Daddy?
I have...
Oh, yes. Sinuot na niya yung, ano niya, what shoes?
These are called Nike Blazers, I think.
Yeah,
Nike Blazer high top. Skinny leg jeans,
yeah,
blue puffer jacket, and white long sleeve shirt.
Yeah, and have a look at his hair. Lagyan ko ng man bun. Anak, where's your jacket, nak? Paris, ikaw, oh, here's your jacket. Mickey Mouse jacket. Come. So this is Paris' jacket. Yes. Say hi, guys.
Hi guys, I'm in the shop.
Going to the shop. We'll go for a walk with Daddy.
I'm going to walk.
Yeah, go in the pram na go. Go in the pram. Quick.
Mama, I'm going to shops.
Go shops.
Mommy.
Go shops. Naka-shower pa natin siya guys kasama yung daddy niya kanina. So tingnan niyo. Oh.
Mommy.
Fresh ang kanyang hair.
Football.
Football? It's not a football, nak. That's for Mama's eye. Give it to Mommy, babe. Please.
No, mine.
It's not yours. It's Mommy's.
No, it's mine for Paris.
Oh, is it really for Paris? Who told you that?
Sharing.
Who?
Sharing. Sharing.
Sharing. Okay, we'll share it with you. Okay, let's go now. Go in the pram na go. Go in the pram.
No, put the back.
Put it back. Good job. And also guys, habang maglalakad kami, pupunta kami ng shops kasi may mga kailangan na kami dito sa bahay. So, magdadala kami nitong mga plastic bags. So, hindi na tayo magbayad. Yes, honey, show your baby to our friends, babe. Show your baby here. Here's my baby.
Baby.
What's the name of your baby now?
Baby.
What's the name of your baby?
Danny.
Donnie.
Danny.
Patata.
Hey.
Huh?
Hey.
What's her name?
Baby. Baby Danny.
Baby Donnie.
Baby.
Ayan, magdadala tayo ng tatlo just in case. And also, while we're there, kailangan na naman pumunta ng atin nyo sa post office kasi maipopost na naman tayo, di ba? Bongga talaga to sa atin nyo, nagbebenta ng mga nagbebenta ng mga drogas. Hindi, joke lang. Benta ng mga damit ba? May nagkakagusto naman, which is really good. Very helpful.
Yours?
Is that for the baby? I thought it's yours.
Baby.
Is that for the baby?
Yes.
So, Paris Nico is at home today kasi wala siyang childcare pag Friday.
Baby, wear the glasses.
Yeah, reading the glasses. Ang ating Daddy Mike ay nag-work pa guys. So, hinihintay lang namin si Daddy Mike na lunch break. And then we're gonna go.
I like outfits.
Outfit.
Outfits.
Put it on you now, cause that's yours. You're the dentist. Check the baby's teeth.
It's for parrots.
It's that's right.
So what, Daddy?
Oh, look at mommy, baby. Wow, it's so beautiful, dentist. Berdili ka dungo kay gatagak, ha?
Picture.
Oh, temperature. You want to check the temperature?
Where's that?
Maybe you can use this one. Check.
No.
Oh, no, not this one. Okay.
A picture.
Oh, there you go. I found it. What do you say to mommy, Nak? Say thank you, mommy.
Thank you, mommy. I'm in the car.
Anna na bali na sad.
What?
Ano daw? Guys, surihan na po ni siya isa. Oy!
Actually, that's a zappy.
Drop it. The dentist drop it. Na! Saan mo pagkakita sa ngipon? Anna. Mama fix me. Do you want mama to help?
Okay, then
Okay.
try this.
No, put it on you.
Take off, mommy.
Like this.
Here's
On the ear. Like that. Yeah.
a picture.
Check now. There you go. It's not gonna fall now. Wow. Did mama do a good job?
Baby, this one.
Ay, gitangtang na po.
It's finished.
It's finished now. Is the baby okay?
Sit down.
Sit down. Okay.
Right there, the hammock.
Maybe you need to sing a song for the baby so the baby won't cry. What song do you sing to baby when baby cries?
Boo-boo tits. Here's
I
mommy.
think your teacher said you sang Twinkle Twinkle at school yesterday.
Oh, my feet.
Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle?
My feet wearing the glasses.
Yeah.
When daddy's glasses. Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
Terry's once.
I'm not gonna try that one because mama can't see with that one. Mama needs these glasses.
When they that, my guess what?
Mama needs these glasses to see. That one, that's for you.
It's for daddies.
It's for daddy.
No, it's the one daddies.
Yeah. This one is what mama needs.
Mm.
That's for you. See? Look at here. Whoa.
This is in the nose.
It's in the nose. Put it on your eye now. There. Good girl. Ipasangit sa dalonggan, anak. Wow! Hello, dentist.
I just had
Paris is out. Nak, what are you eating, Nak?
eating that apple.
A lollipop. Who gave you that?
Thank you, blue.
Ayan. Tingnan nyo guys. Si Daddy ay naka-puffer jacket kasi kahit na mataas yung araw, sobrang ginaw pa rin. And look at me. Look at me. Suot ko na naman ang aking uniform. Uniform pag nasa labas ng bahay. Hi, sweetheart. Ooh, who's that? Is that for mommy? Suot ko pala ang aking mask na bigay ng aking boss, guys. Oh. Red one. Diba apat yung binigay nila sa akin? And kay Daddy Mike, hindi naman sinusuot ni Daddy Mike kasi yung gusto ni Daddy Mike yung sa kanya. Yung binili niya sa... Where did you buy this one, Bob?
What?
Your mask.
Culture Kings.
Oh, Culture Kings. So ako lang yung nagsusuot ng apat. Baby girl! Oh, it's a very good day para maglakad-lakad. And bukas din, guys. Tomorrow is also sunny and maximum 18 degrees. Today is maximum 16 degrees. That's fine. As long as hindi umuulan, guys, we're happy. Kasi at least makakapaglakad-lakad kami ba. Okay. Hi guys! So it's now 2:10 ng hapon and kakauwi lang namin from our walk. And you know what? Pumunta kami ng Woolworths kasi kailangan nga namin mag-grocery shop konti kasi kailangan namin ng mga pagkain dito sa bahay. Si Paris pala ay nasa pram kasi nakatulog siya while we're walking. Hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo one by one guys yung mga pamilya namin. But I'm just letting you know na bumili ako ng napi ni Paris. Ayan. Kasi malapit na maubos yung sa kanya. And then guess what? bumili na si atin yun ng rice, ng 5 kilos na rice. Jasmine rice. Ito talaga yung rice na gustong gusto ko. Kasi, masarap na masarap siya. And this was on sale, 50% off, guys. So, instead of $20 for 5 kilograms, $10 na lang siya. And sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike na, siguro mamaya babalik ako para bumili ng maybe another 2 bags of rice. Kasi, minsan lang yan sila mag-half price, guys. Kaya, I'll take the advantage. Kasi, madami pa naman dun, guys. Isa lang yung binili ko for now. Kasi, naglakad nga lang kami, diba? Nag-exercise lang kami and sobrang bigat. Kaya nga kahit maginaw sa labas guys, hindi na ako nagsuot ng jacket ko nung pabalik na kami kasi I was sweating. And nagbili na rin si Daddy Mike ng lulutuin niya for tonight. I'm not too sure kung anong ilulutuin niya. But anyways, medyo natagalan din kami kanina guys sa pag-alis. Kasi kausap ni Daddy Mike yung daddy niya sa farm. Palagi yan talaga silang nag-uusap guys, which is really nice, right? Kasi yung tatay niya, malayo kasi and minsan lang silang nagkikita. Actually, the last time na nakita namin yung daddy niya, 1 year ago today. Kasi pinaalala sa akin ng Facebook kanina, yung Facebook memory ba, na tawag nito yung video ni Paris tsaka yung tatay niya. Kaya yan, everyday talaga yan silang nagtatawagan, nagkukumustahan, which is really nice. Kasi it's really good to have that kind of relationship with your parents. And you know what guys, sobrang sweet nila talaga. Kasi the other day, pinakita sa akin ni Daddy Mike yung love note from his dad. And alam nyo yung nakalagay guys. Sabi ng tatay niya sa kanya na, I love you very much and I'm very proud of the man you have become. And super sweet lang talaga guys. No? Kasi I know hindi talaga lahat ng mga ama na nakakapagsabi ng ganyan sa kanilang mga anak. Kaya salute talaga ako sa tatay ni Mike. Kaya alam na alam ko rin kung bakit sweet na sweet si Mike. Kasi nakikita ko rin kung gaano ka-sweet yung tatay at saka nanay niya sa kanya. Kaya yeah. While I was there guys, bumili na rin ako ng pie. And I wanna try this out. This is the beef, cheese, bacon, and egg pie. Ayan. So, fresh talaga. Today to siya niluto. Ayan. So, ito yung kakainin natin. Ang kakainin ko na to now while Paris is still sleeping. It's now 2:30 ng hapon, guys. And wala pa tayong upload. Kasi, tingnan nyo, ang aking phone ay nag-update. I'm not too sure kung kailan to siya matatapos, guys. Siguro bukas pa. Hala, baka wala tayong upload today ba? And also, guys, tingnan nyo yung bigay sa akin ng boss ko, guys, oh. Ito yung nilabas ko today. Diba pinakita ko sa inyo na may mga happy cards, happy day cards. Ayan. So, maglalabas ako once a day. And ito yung nalabas ko today. I let go of worries that drain my energy. Oh, diba? Tapos bukas, iba na naman yung kukunin ko. So, while yung phone natin ay nag-update, and ang ating baby girl ay natutulog, it is a perfect opportunity for me para maglinis ng bahay, guys. Kaya, yan yung gagawin natin kasi si Daddy Mike ay still working pa rin. Kasi nga, diba, hindi pa tapos yung work niya. Mamaya pa 5 o'clock. Kaya, I'll see you again soon, guys. So, guys, kakastart ko lang maglinis and nagising na ang ating prinsesa. Open, mommy. Mama will open. What do you say?
It's my name.
What do you say, anak?
Okay, Mommy.
Say please, mommy.
Mom,
There you go.
finish.
Meron siyang, wafer crackers. Yeah. Tapos, nauna pala yung phone natin, guys. Ayan. So, tayo. Mag-edit tayo para may pang-upload tayo today. Mama, wanak be. Thank you.
That's right.
Paris is helping mommy. Nilalagay niya yung mga damit dyan sa basket kasi ihahang namin outside. Sani kasi sa labas. Sayang. Nak, no? Thank you, Nak. Thank you for helping mama. Naanadjud kayo masugo. Naanadjud kayo masugo. Bahala ka mo. Dito kami sa backyard namin, guys.
It's boyaki.
Yeah. What's that, Nak? What have you got there?
It's a
Siya yung nagbitbit ng ating mga kimpit.
Mommy.
Maghalay mi, guys. Among labhonon. Ayan. It's a bowl, honey. So, ito yung clothesline namin sa likod ng bahay. Oh.
Key.
Diba? Ito siya. Prutas pala to siya, guys. Pero, wala pa siyang ngayon kasi winter pa eh. Wala pang mga dahon pa. Tingnan nyo, oh. Starting to have flowers
Mommy,
na.
the ball in the pole.
Yeah, the bowl. Okay, do you wanna help Mama now? Say tabi, apo. Be, give some to Mama, be. Agay hurts, that's different na. Tabi, apo is different.
Why?
Tabi, apo is different from agay. Ikaw, tigtunol yung Mama, be.
Why every teeth?
You can't reach it. Give me another one. Give me another one.
It's for parrots.
It's for parrots.
Oh,
There.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, you. Be. Thank you, Paris.
Sure, mommy, please.
Sing that for Mama, be.
Mom.
Incy Spider. Hello.
Tata.
Where are you going now?
In the park.
You're going to the park with?
Hey.
With?
Hey.
Who's going with you?
Here.
Who's going with you? Daddy?
Paris.
Paris and
Daddy.
Daddy.
Paris.
Yes. Si Paris and Daddy Mike will go to the park habang si Mami nila ay maglilinis ng bahay. Ayan. Kakatapos lang kasi ni Daddy Mike na mag-work. Kaya sabi niya he'll take Paris to the park. And the park is closed, Nakda? Nakda? Sabi ni Paris, the park is closed, Daddy. Sabi ni Daddy, ano lang naman, sa ano sila, sa Oval. Bye-bye! Uy, bye sa Mami, B! Kiss, Mami! Uy, kiss sa si Mami ba? Hi! Enjoy! Enjoy! See you! Enjoy na enjoy yung ating baby girl, oh. Careful, anak, ha? Ayan. Tapos ako, guys, tatapusin ko na yung aking nililinis kasi di ba kanina hindi natuloy kasi si Paris ay gumising. So, start ko na tong nilinis kanina. Ayan, so dito ako nag-start. Parang inanuhan ko siya ba? Dust. So, ayan. Tapos, nire-arrange ko. Tingnan niyo, oh. Super cute. Ito yung gift namin kay Daddy Mike nung, first Father's Day niya last year. Picture nila. Tapos, ito yung gift ni Daddy Mike sa akin. I'm not too sure kung kailan to siya. Basta ito yung pinagawa niya sa akin. O, tingnan nyo. Nasa isang, kahoy. And then, there's a photo of me and Daddy Mike. Ayan, nung pa kami, girlfriend, boyfriend pa kami. Nag-dinner kami somewhere. Diyan. And then, merong si Daddy Mike dito, yung Buddha. Ayan. And now, maririnig niyo siguro yung natin, yung washing machine natin. But I'm just going to finish everything else. And then I'll see you again very soon. Daddy is now cooking dinner. What are you making, Daddy?
Tom yum.
Huh?
Tom yum.
Tom yum! Tom yum! Ito ang kanyang Aroy di. And what's this one? Fried shallots. What's that, Daddy?
Garlic stalk.
What's this one?
Garlic stalk.
Garlic stalk.
I thought this is a coriander. I don't know if it's coriander.
And my chili pa, guys, so. Smells so good! Ayan yung dinner natin for tonight. Very excited. Hi guys! It's now 9 o'clock ng gabi. Say hi na.
Hi.
Hi! Uy! Ito ang kulit-kulit belong na. Yung tatay niya pala ay nasa garage nag-gigi.
Mommy, chichi.
Yes, that's right, honey. And Paris is watching Mickey.
Meals.
Mickey Mouse. Sarap ng dinner namin, guys. Nagluto si Daddy ng tom yum. And super yummy. May naiwan pa, so we'll have that tomorrow. Anyways, i-end na namin yung vlog namin dito, guys. Maraming salamat as always sa palaging panonood nyo ng ating mga videos and also sa mga lovely comments nyo. Sobrang thank you talaga. And welcome sa ating mga bagong subscribers. Maraming salamat din sa pag-subscribe sa ating channel and I'm really hoping na na-enjoy nyo yung mga vlogs natin. And also, especially sa ating mga existing subscribers na hindi nagsasawa na sumuporta sa ating channel. Super thank you very much talaga sa inyong lahat. I'll just do a quick shout out now, guys. And the first shout out goes to Rosemary Romoir, Mad Brat, Ruby De La Rosa, Lina De Los Santos, Morena Dusil, Pundong Jessamay from Davao City, Inday Himentiza Diaz Torrijos, and also shout out daw sa kanyang daughter, Ana Vea Diaz Torrijos, na magse-celebrate ng kanyang 21st birthday sa August 29. Advance happy birthday sa'yo. Shout out to Cain Bernales, Brian Ladrillo, and shout out daw sa Poncardas family o Ladrillo family from South Cotabato, Coronadal. Shout out to Dailin Bilacas, Evert Suta 53, Janet Gordon, Vivian Bayona, Arin Panorel, Jonah Reese, Hope Marie Hill de Casa 24. Shout out to Arturo Cos, Annalisa Legaspe. Shout out to Lorna Gonzaga, Delia Rolago and the kids, Mary Ann Cardoza, Lisan Bansil, Cherry May Ongayo, Cherry Salazar, Thelma Istor, Marivic Valcorza, Ronald Balaba, Rosana Mansueto, Diceline Beltran, Myla Betasolo, Anilin Atamosa, Jovilove Lalab, Elsa Navales, Ruth from Siargao, Chari Talabok, Helen Abiertas, Virginia Manaloto. Shout out to Maria Zoila Llanos, Eleanor Tanutan, Lini Empreso, Lilia Vibal, Zel Masiastom, Mercedita Dinglasan, Rinar May Ricahuerta, Nars Reyes, Trisha Joy Ibias, Marisa Balingkit, Gina Ordasa, Glishel Chris Amugis, and Feli Ilamparo. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, careful, guys. Bye. Mwah.